we are back in my kitchen today, and we are making, this is going to be hearty in a hurry type dish. We are making a beefy mostaccioli. No, I'm not Italian. I'm not Italian, if you think I'm Italian, but I'm not Italian. Just kidding there. We are making a beefy mostaccioli. We baked crap all weekend. It was my birthday weekend, and we've had like Lee's catered in. Whole lot of different dips going on. So today I'm making something for my daughter that's she's back to school this week. She's been on spring break all week, but I wanted to make her something comforting and delicious and just a feel-good type meal. And I like to throw these little one-pot meals together here because they're fabulous. But this is the type of pasta I'm using. It's mostaccioli. Very good. It's got little ridges in it, and the sauce that's gonna. It's just going to adhere to that pasta and make it absolutely amazing. I've got a few other videos I'm going to share with you as well. I mean, look at this. Look at my shirt. This is my new shirt, and I am absolutely, totally excited about this. I want you to purchase one because you're going to look absolutely fabulous in it. It says, if you need me, I'll be in the kitchen with Sandy. And on the back it says, my personal YouTube chef. You can't beat that. And this is going to help support my channel, and you know I would just love that. But anyway, back to what I'm cooking today. Let's get started. I've already gotten started, but I'll show you what I've done so far. In my little pan here, my little Emerald Lagasse pan, I just love this pan. I've got some ground chuck started. I've already started it for you. And we're just going to break this up and brown it until it's nice and brown, and I can't even talk today. And then we're just going to drain that. Alright, I drained my ground chuck from the grease. I drained all the grease off of it. On the back here, what you cannot see going is my mostaccioli. I brought some water to a boil, a rapid boil. I salted it like the sea, and then I've got it going on back here. And what else you're going to use with this recipe is, I've got the ground chuck here. You're going to use a little bit of oregano, some onion salt, garlic salt, minced onions, some tomato sauce, some parsley, and some fresh garlic. And you're also going to throw in some shredded cheddar cheese. Now for this dish, I like to use the mild. My daughter prefers the mild. So this is what I'm making for her today, so we're going to use the mild. Go ahead and throw your garlic in there. Or turn that down a little bit. And you know, I like to throw my garlic in after I've drained my the grease from my meat, because I feel that if you cook it all together at once, then when you drain the grease off your meat, you're pouring all that delicious flavor down. So go ahead and add the garlic in after you get your meat drained. You're also going to add some onion salt, about a teaspoon, and you're going to add about a half a teaspoon of the garlic salt. I like this garlicky. And some minced onions. You're going to add about a whole teaspoon of the minced onions, and I prefer to use minced onions. I'm opening this up over the chopped onions in this dish because it's all about the texture, baby. When I'm eating this, I don't like the texture of the chopped onions in this. Go ahead and add your tomato sauce. You're going to use 2 of the 15-ounce cans. Actually, that might even be too much, to be honest with you. I'm making more than what I anticipated making. You know how it turns out. That's how hot my pan is. It has already started boiling. Give it a stir there. And we're just going to let this cook until our pasta is done. This is very quick and very easy, and we're going to add just a pinch of the oregano. Just a couple pinches of it. Probably turns out to be, about a quarter of a teaspoon, or more or less, give or take. And now we're just going to bring this together. We're going to do a little bit of pepper in here as well. Oh, you know what else I forgot to add? We're going to throw in some crushed red pepper flakes as well. Give that a stir, just because I like crushed red pepper flakes in all of my dishes. And you got about 1/4 teaspoon of the crushed red pepper flakes. Just enough to bring out just a little bit of heat. And a lot of deliciousness. At this point, we're going to go ahead and give this a taste for seasoning. Oh, that is perfect. You don't want to add anything else to that. Nothing. Oh my goodness. And you notice I didn't add any salt to that because my tomatoes have a nice salt content to it. Oh my goodness, that is so good. And it's so quick and so easy. Now my mostaccioli is done. I cooked it just slightly under the amount of time that it said to cook it, and just going to add it right in there. Oh Lord, this is so good. And you know what? You can use any type of pasta you want to use. If you want to use the elbow macaroni, you go right ahead. If you want to use the little the spirals, anything you want to use, you go right ahead and use it. Look, oh, maybe I should have used a bigger pan for that, but I love my little Emerald Lagasse pan. Look at this. Look at this. Are you getting a look at this? Doesn't this look absolutely amazing? And just wait. Just you wait. We haven't even put the cheese in it yet. Oh my goodness. Mercy. And you know, a pound of this, this will feed your whole family, a nice family of 4. And I used about a ½ pound of ground chuck to make this. Miss Daisy. What a beautiful, beautiful dish. And then we're going to add lots of cheese. I like to add the mild cheddar to this dish. And that's really only about a ½ cup. Maybe, it's really about a ½ cup. I just kind of like to eyeball it. And again, I used about a ½ pound of ground chuck. And we're just going to stir that in there. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Now, if you wanted to take this from the stovetop to the oven, that would be perfectly fine. But I am just doing the stovetop for today. Oh my goodness. And then you just want to top it with just a little bit of parsley just for color. Now, isn't that absolutely beautiful? Let's dig in, guys. Got my beautiful little dollar store plate there. Little dollar store bowl. You know, you can get some great finds at the dollar store. I kid you not. Look at the cheese, just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And a little bit more parsley just for color. Look at that. Look at that amazing dish. Look how beautiful that is. Look how pretty that is. Now, we are going to take a bite of this. So quick, so easy. Well, if I can get it on the fork, it's just kind of dancing all over the place there. Slowly but surely. This is perfect. It's so good, it makes you spit. Absolutely beautiful. It's quick and it's easy. It's very hearty, and it is so worthy on your dinner table tonight. So make sure that you make this. Make it for your family, and you know, make them some nice crusty bread to go with it, or a salad, or you know, this stands perfect alone. Absolutely perfect. Like I said, it's very hearty. You're gonna love this. It's so full of flavor. The garlic and the oregano all just come, oh, it just comes through. Have another bite. I love dishes like this, and I know you do too. So make sure you make this. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, my Facebook fan page. I'd love to have you there. I'd love to talk to you. Follow me on Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram. I'm all over social media. So make sure you give this a try. Share all my videos and subscribe. And you know I love you all so very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Delicious.